time-lapse inside the mixer, the loose flour and water rapidly transforming into a shaggy mess, and then into a smooth, cohesive ball of dough.
The dough hook pulling the dough upwards. The dough stretches like a thick rubber band without breaking. It looks incredibly soft and elastic.
Extreme close-up of the dough surface. It is smooth, shiny, and pale white. It reflects the factory lights.
Dough entering a machine with multiple pistons. It punches out 6 identical pieces of dough at a time. Rhythm, punch, punch, punch.
The rough chunks of dough dropping into a cone-shaped rounding machine. They spin rapidly against the walls.
The dough pieces emerging from the rounder as perfectly smooth, round, white balls. They look like large mozzarella balls. A round ball of dough passing through 2 rollers. It gets squashed flat into a pancake shape instantly. Air bubbles popping.
The dough log dropping precisely into a rectangular metal baking tin. It fits perfectly at the bottom.
The flat pancake hitting a curling chain. It rolls up tightly into a log shape, cylinder. This is the final bread shape.
The pans having the yellow liquid in rectangular shape, entering a warm, humid room, the proofer. Steam is
Wide shot of the proofer room filled with thousands of pans. All the doughs have risen in unison, a sea of white, puffy domes.
Continuation of time lapse. The dough rises above the rim of the pan, forming a perfect mushroom-top dome. It looks like a balloon inflating.
The pan's moving out of the proofer. The risen dough is so soft and airy that it jiggles like jelly with the movement of the belt.
Automatic lids sliding over the top of the pans for sandwich bread. The lids lock the dough inside.
The pans entering the massive tunnel oven. A blast of heat distortion shimmer is visible at the entrance.
Time-lapse inside the oven. The dough gives one final rapid push upwards, stretching the sides.
The most satisfying shot, the pale white dough slowly turning yellow, then golden, then a rich, delicious brown on top.
Macro shot of the top crust, the surface drying out and becoming firm. Small cracks forming on the golden skin. The pans emerging from the other end of the tunnel oven. They are smoking hot. The bread is fully baked and golden brown.
The suction arm lifts the loaves out of the hot metal pans. The bread releases cleanly. Steam rises from the sides. A giant vacuum suction arm descending. It grabs the entire row of bread loaves by the top crust.
The empty metal pans travel back on a separate belt. The bread loaves move forward.
A fine mist of melted butter being sprayed onto the hot top crust. The crust shines and glistens.
bread loaves entering a massive spiral cooling tower. They start to ascend.
The loaves descending from the ceiling conveyor on a steep decline belt. They slide down smoothly, controlled by friction, heading towards the slicers.
The loaves hitting alignment guide rail. They are gently nudged into a perfectly straight single-file line, like soldiers marching.
The stream of bread passing through a rectangular metal detector arch. A green light blinks, signaling the bread is safe and pure.
Side profile of the slicing action. The loaf moves continuously through the blades, turning instantly from a solid block into...
As the bread exits the blades, the slices shift slightly, revealing the soft, fluffy, white texture.
The structure holds.
The sliced loaf moving forward. Side guide rails hold the slices tight together so the loaf doesn't fall apart. It looks solid, but is actually sliced.
The mesmerizing up and down motion of the reciprocating blades. The metal glints under the lights. Some factories remove the end pieces, heels. A mechanical arm flicks the first and last slice off the line into a bin.
The most satisfying shot. A jet of air blows into the top bag in the stack. The bag instantly puffs open like a balloon, waiting for the bread.
The sliced loaf is pushed by a paddle. It slides smoothly into the open, air-filled bag. The slices stay perfectly vertical.
Real-time shot. The machine bags slide rhythmic.
Mechanical scoop arms slide inside the open bag to hold it wide open. The metal is smooth and shiny.
Real-time speed shot. The machine bags 60 loaves per minute. Puff slide release.
Puff slide release.
Rhythmic mechanical sound visual.
The sealed bag moving forward. The top of the bag fans out. The colorful logo on the plastic is now visible and straight.
A robotic arm with a vacuum or gripper picking up the bagged bread loaves. It lifts 4 loaves at a time. The robot placing the loaves into the plastic crate. It fits them perfectly, horizontal or vertical. No squishing.
Wide shot of the dispatch warehouse. thousands of stacks of bread crates waiting. It looks like a city of bread.
Pulling out the first slice, it comes out cleanly. The texture is incredibly soft, bending slightly under its own weight.
Freshness proof.
Slow motion.
A knife spreading yellow butter on the hot toast. The butter melts instantly into the pores of the bread.
Cutting a grilled cheese sandwich diagonally, the crust crunches, the cheese pulls.
A few golden crumbs falling onto a plate. End of the meal.